Hey everybody, I'm Felix and I'm gonna show you how to make a grilled cheese at home. There's like cool text here probably. Here we go. Whoosh, sick transition. So the first step you're gonna need is some bread. Freshly baked, homemade bread, yeah. We're gonna wanna grab a couple of slices and we're gonna plop them on our counter. We're gonna butter them up like this. Wow, that was a very clean transition. We then need to heat up our stove. Put it on a little bit above medium. Slap one of those bad boys onto the pan. We're gonna put some pesto on. So here I go. Like that. Now that we got the pesto on, let's get a few tomatoes on there. And finally, our 2 pieces of cheese. Slap on the top pieces of bread, and you got a great sandwich ready to be eaten as soon as we cook it. We gotta cook it. It's gotta cook. You know, I've always been somewhat of a chef myself. I mean, just look at this masterpiece. It's just something to behold. Now let's flip it. Want a tomato? And it's just about done, guys. And by guys, I mean you, Mr. Butzer. Just you. You. And it's done. Look at that grilled to perfection cheese. Look at, there it is. Thank you for checking out this video and giving me a good grade on this video. Here's the taste test. It's pretty good. Thanks for watching my how-to video. I hope it was awesome, because I recorded this before I actually made the sandwich, so I don't actually know if it ended well.